Okay, sports fans, this is the latest problem child up on the lift. Your basic BMW R60. A friend of mine had a very, shall we say, well-known BMW dealer work on this thing, charge him a lot of money, and they worked on it till it won't run. So I think I'm going to take a look at it. I've been checking it out. This magneto. These old BMW magnetos don't put out a lot of voltage at low speed. The coil itself has like 1 ohm, so you got to get this thing spinning to make a spark. I checked it out, and I think the coil is okay. It looks new. They've put a lot of new parts in. One thing they did put on here, I think, is the culprit, is these resistance caps. When you're working with a 6-volt ignition system, 6-volt magneto ignition system, the output is so low at low speeds that I don't think these are recommended for these old bikes. Anyway, we're going to put some caps on there with no resistance and see if we get some spark. It's barely making a spark. If you turn all the lights out, you can see a little flicker, but that's not enough to run a bike when you get some compression. So we're going to have a look at it and do some stuff later. Okay, here we have the BMW with some no resistance leads on there, and here's the difference. We'll turn the key on. Kicker. Used to run pretty good. I had up and down the street. The pilot jet, the idle jet on this side was plugged, so I took that out and leaned it out, carefully of course, and got it to idle. It seems to run pretty good for what it is. I mean, these weren't powerhouses by any means, but you know, it does what it's supposed to do in a BMW kind of way. So there you have it, kids. Don't put resistor caps on your old BMW with a magneto ignition, because it's going to give you some funny symptoms, and most of the time it won't start. But everything has to be just right. So that's the update, and thanks for looking.